Kia ora, I'm Katharine Hall, the illustrator for Whetū Toa. I've always kind of enjoyed being creative, and I've always been interested in drawing, and then I kind of worked out that I was relatively good at it. And then I figured out I could do it for a job, and I was like, oh, well, why didn't I do something that I love for a job? And it kind of just went from there, I guess. Let your imagination go wild. I'd say just watch, if you can, watch animals and look at their proportions, but then maybe create a backstory within your character, so it can have a bit of a backstory, and you can play off that and create characteristics from that. Just have fun. My favourite thing is just putting Steph words to life and her creating the worlds, because it's awesome just to create the words that she's written and put them into pictures. My favourite character is probably the magician, because he's a bit of an oddball and I dig it. I look forward to seeing all your entries and just have fun with it. Enjoy.